I expect them. I just wanna know what your truth is.